to my giveaway video. I'm going to announce the winner for my 100 subscriber giveaway. It had 87 views, which isn't bad. It jumped my subscriber count up quite a bit, so that means more people are going to see my videos. And I encourage more people to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified, because I try and keep a video at least once a week. I'm going to try and do it 2 times a week, but I can't promise anything. But I got, let's scroll down here to the bottom, 26 comments. So that is pretty awesome. Now there is duplicate comments in here. I did take out my comments that I made, so there should be around 24 comments in total. We'll go up here and hit the 3 dots. Just kidding. I'm using my phone. So, share. Hit the share. It's not what I wanted. No. Oh, you suck. Copy. There we go. It was being a little difficult. Let's go over here. We will refresh. Where's it at? We will paste that in there. And again, I apologize for all of this. It is on my phone because I'm at work. But in 3, 2, 1, we will pull it up. So we've got 24 comments because it does weed out the duplicates. But in 3, 2, 1, I will pick a winner. And this winner will get the kit sent to them by me. And if you have a YouTube channel, like I said, you can do a build along with me. I think that would be something cool. If not, it is not a big deal. We can still do a build along. I could just have you record it and you send it to me, and I can include it in there and include your name. But we are ready to go. And in 3, 2, 1, see who wins. Winner was Redlen08. His comment was, "Congratulations on 100 subscribers. Here's to many more." Redlen08, send me an email at notsoaveragebuilder@gmail.com, and I will get your info from you and I'll send this to you. So congratulations, Redlen08. You won yourself a Zaku too. Send me that info, and I'm gonna try and have more giveaways like this. The bigger I get, the bigger my giveaways can get. Don't forget, I also have a Patreon. It's patreon.com/notsoaveragebuilder. And if my Patreon gets, bigger, then I will have more money to do extra projects like this and extra giveaways and such. I still have my 300 subscriber giveaway that will be coming up once I hit that, and that will be the entire Dragon Ball Mecha collection. So again, congratulations to the winner, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.